This has never just been about the shoe. This is about unleashing potential, fine-tuning, breakthrough technology, carbon composite fiber, all the progress. These things can only take you so far. It is you, the runner, who has and always will shape its story. You make it fast.
The Saucony Speed Shades Collection, exclusive to Foot Locker and Champs, combines 2 pairs of Guide 7s and 3 pairs of Omni 9s to offer a road-ready pack featuring Saucony's most popular lifestyle models. Fast, fearless, and a little futuristic, the collection channels the adrenaline of downhill sprints and the freedom of the open road, but brings it to everyday wear, says Saucony about the collection. Stay here and discover the Saucony Speed Shades 2026 collection. Nothing is faster than a pair of teched-out sunglasses. Pit Vipers, Oakleys, gas station classics, it doesn't matter. If they wrap around, change color in the sun, or need a silly strap to stay on your nose, well, those are Speed Shades, and those are the inspiration for Saucony's latest lifestyle pack. The Saucony Speed Shades collection is a Foot Locker and Champs exclusive, combining 2 pairs of Guide 7 and 3 pairs of Omni 9 for a road-ready pack of Saucony's most popular lifestyle models. Fast, fearless, and a little futuristic, the collection channels the adrenaline of downhill sprints and open road freedom, but translates it into everyday wear, Saucony says about the collection. The standout pair from the pack is a Guide 7 in black mesh with iridescent branding accents like a pair of reflective shades. The other Guide 7 pair is a clean mix of light purple and gray. While the best from the Omni 9 collection is the lone women's exclusive pair in orange mesh with blue branding. Saucony Pro Grid Guide 7 Black Multi, Saucony Pro Grid Guide 7 White Blue, Saucony Pro Grid Omni 9 Silver Orange, Saucony Pro Grid Omni 9 White Orange, and the Saucony Pro Grid Omni 9 Orange Blue, exclusive for women. The entire Saucony Speed Shades collection is now available exclusively at Foot Locker and Champs, both in-store and online. Available in unisex sizes, the retail prices are $135 for the Guide 7 and $155 for the Omni 9. To stay up to date on the latest Saucony news and information, subscribe now to Station Kicks and don't miss any new releases.